What's up guys, welcome to this video. In today's video I want to quickly show you how you can add friends in Forza Horizon 5 in 2022. That's the topic of today's video, so just stick around if you're interested in that. But before we start right into the topic, I would really like to mention something. You guys would certainly make my day if you could leave a like, comment and subscribe to my small little channel. It would really mean a world to me, so thank you very much. But let's start right into the topic. First of all, in order to add friends in Forza Horizon 5, just hit Windows button plus G at the same time on your keyboard so that you can open the Xbox game bar. That's the easiest way to add friends because this is also connected to your Forza Horizon 5 friends because of Xbox Social is also used in Forza Horizon 5. And then we have all of these windows. I hope you can see it. Yes, you could see it. And then what we want is to look at the Xbox Social window. And here we can, first of all, just see our Microsoft name should be the same profile that is also logged in Forza Horizon 5. And then here we can see our friends that we currently have. If we don't have here any friends, then first of all, just click here on Find Friends. And then we have the option to just search or add players. So just type in their Xbox name and just ask them about their name. This is the right name here. So just ask them to send you their name. And then just type it in here. And then click on this plus icon here, and then they should receive a request, I think right here on the top. Then they just need to accept it, and that's already it. Then we can start parties, join our friends, and so on. You can also send messages, and yeah, that's really it. You can already close this one here, and yeah. Also close to Windows Xbox game bar. And we've successfully added a friend in Forza Horizon 5. If this helped, guys, I would, as already mentioned, appreciate it very much if you could leave a like, comment and subscribe. If you've got any questions left or something did not work, just let me know in the comment section below. I'm always happy to answer your comments and questions as soon as possible. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.